The last thing I want to have a look at is Excel report layouts. Let's have a quick look at that. If you search in Business Central for preview, and I know this is the easiest way I could find it, and all the other ways just seemed a bit long-winded, but if you search preview, you can see there's some new, under the reports and analysis tab, there's some new reports that have been added. My understanding, or Microsoft's communication, is that there'll be quite a few more of these types of reports added in future. So they're working on them, they're adding more, but just let's have a quick look at what they do. And the one I like is the customer the customer age debt is that one there. You can export this and send it to Excel and download it. So if I send this to Excel, that one, I want to download it. Let's go straight from here where I put it. I want to download it. And what that'll do, I go to my downloads. We've got some pretty tight internal controls, so it'll take a little while to open. Excuse me while it loads up. So what do we like about these reports? Why are we excited about them? Why are we showing them to you? Mainly because these reports now have the slicer dicer. Those are using Jet Reports will recognize the slices and dices or add automatically. So it allows us to filter our reports, automatically adding those. It's also got different period breakdowns by currency, caption. But what we really like as well is it's also got the source data. And this is quite nice for some of the financial reports, where the data that's being used to generate those reports is coming out on them as well. I've tried the trial balance one. I don't love it, but I do like the age debtors one. And we know that they'll be improving in the future as they go along. I probably prefer the pivot and export to Excel, but I just wanted to highlight there's quite a few new Excel reports that have been added by Microsoft, and they are working on them, as in they're adding more as we go along. The reports that have been added are mostly around finance at the moment. So you've got trial balance, actuals versus budget, etc., and some customer age debtor reports to support the new AR role center.